Hi everyone! In today's drawing tutorial, we're going to create a simple yet charming house. We'll walk through each step so you can follow along and make your own version. Let's get started. First, we'll draw the basic structure of the house. Start with a simple rectangle for the main body. This will form the walls. Then add a triangle on top to represent the roof. Make sure the lines are light so we can adjust them later. Next, we'll add windows and a door. Start with the door. This could be a simple rectangle with round handle. Then, draw rectangular windows on the front of the house. Position them symmetrically. At the roof, we'll draw a round window. Next, we will add chimney to the roof of the house. To make the house feel more complete, let's add some landscaping. We will add clouds, sun, and some trees, flowers along the sides. Now it's time to go over the final details. Use a darker pen or marker to outline all your lines. This will make the house stand out. Now, we'll add colors to roof, walls, window, doors, and house landscape. We will start walls with pink color. Next, we will color door with orange color and window with blue color. Now color the roof with purple color and chimney with red color. Let's color the clouds with blue, sun with yellow, and trees with green color. And here's our finished house. We did a great job. I hope this tutorial inspired you to create your own house designs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.